Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make this bracelet with different beads. The bracelet I am wearing is the same design with pearls. First, insert the U clasp and the beads on each side. Add one circle rhinestone. The pairing is like R plus B plus R on one side and R plus B on the other side. Cross with the seed bead that was inserted on the right side. Check the pattern clear fully. For this bracelet, I am using these beads. You can choose any other of your choice. Same pattern with opposite sides and cross with the seed bead on the left side. Repeat the steps until you get the desired length. If you like my videos, comment a heart below.
Weave magic one thread at a time, a symphony of color and light, a dance of beads on this crafting night. Oh, the beauty she creates.
This is my final length.
Every stitch, every thread.
In the end, add a pressure crimp bead and U-shaped clasps.
In her workshop,
Secure it tightly. Add extension chain and hook with jump rings. And it's done. Hope you like it.